Hey guys, and welcome to the Laws of Physio YouTube page. This is day 19 of the Practice What I Preach series, and in this video I'm doing a pull workout. So when I woke up in the morning, my left shoulder felt kind of tweaked, probably because of the deep squats I was doing the day before. So I worked around it today and I did movements to counter that, so mostly pulling movements. So I was getting this kind of pain at the very front of my shoulder, kind of the tip where just above my armpit, and that's usually associated with a bit of impingement. So the best way to counter an impingement in the shoulder is to strengthen the back. So worked some pulling movements today. So started off with some pull downs, and then went for some rows, and then back to pull downs, and then some flies and curls. So today I want to talk about, while I'm on this topic, common signs of anterior impingement. So a lot of patients come in with this anterior means front, shoulder pain, just kind of above the armpit. And the most common presentation is pain when you're doing stuff overhead, when you go to cross your arm across your body, and when you rotate your thumb or rotate your arm so your thumb is facing down. That is a combination of flexion, abduction, and internal rotation. And this is the things that we look for when we're kind of trying to diagnose this kind of thing. When I see these kind of things, there are a few tests that we do. So people can also present with a painful arc, and that just means that when you lift your arm up, once you get to past shoulder height, so just above 90 degrees, from there upwards you do get a bit of the pain coming in. On the way down, you also get the pain only in that small range of motion, and we call that a painful arc, and that's something that we also look out for. So very common signs. It's probably the most common overuse injury, so non-traumatic injury that I see related to the shoulder, and it's really easily fixed. So the main thing is just work on your back, work on your posture, and just even it out. So if you do come to see me in the clinic, I tell you it's overactive at the front, so it could be your posture at work, or your training is not great, or you're just doing things that are irritating it. So tight at the front and weak at the back. So in terms of treatment that I would give you, I would loosen up at the front and I would strengthen the back. So pretty simple fix. Physio is not hard. It's super simple. You just need to know what to look out for. So that was what I did today. Pretty simple. This is a good workout for countering that. I do tell people all the time, if you do get shoulder pain, try to increase the amount of pulling you're doing, being horizontal pulling or vertical pulling. So increasing your pull downs and increasing your rows. For the most part, that would kind of fix the issue, or it will kind of balance your shoulder out a little bit more. I do tell people all the time that you got to think of your whole life as a whole exercise program. So for example, if you're looking at a tradie, they're never going to work behind their back. They're always lifting and doing stuff in front of them. So you're pretty much training your pecs, your shoulders, how many hours you do. I know tradies that are doing, like 12-hour shifts every day. So you're doing up to 60 hours of chest and shoulders every day. And you go to the gym, you pump out some more chest and biceps. And then you only do, 1 or 2 hours of pulling every week. It doesn't kind of balance out. So my advice would always be try to balance your shoulders out, try to do a little bit more pulling, a little bit more rowing, and your shoulders will stay nice and healthy. So had a bit of a quick workout. It's only the first week back in the gym, so still, again, keeping it very light, keeping the reps pretty high, and just trying to get a nice pump in my muscles. I'm keen for next week, where I'll start to decrease the rep range a little bit and increase the weight. So really looking forward to that, and I hope you stay tuned to watch me work out a little bit more. So hope you're having a good day or night. If you're liking what I'm doing, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys.